In this one, we're looking at some order of operations and substitution. Now, when we're doing our order of operations, we use what you might refer to as BOMDAS or BODMAS, where we're looking at brackets first, then the order going from left to right, and then multiply and divide. They are equally weighted, so then if you've got two of those, you'll go with whichever is first in the order. And addition and subtraction, same deal. So if you've got an addition and a subtraction, you'll look at which one appears first as you go from left to right. Here we've got 5 take away 6, and we're multiplying that by -2. This is where the brackets come in handy, so you know that it's a negative rather than a takeaway. So when we're looking at our order, we've got our 3 numbers there, we've got a subtraction, and we've got a multiply. So we're going to do the multiply first. So 6 multiplied by -2 is going to be -12. And we've got 5 take away 12 then is, lost my negative. So 5 take away -12. Because we're taking away the 6 times the -2, so that becomes 5 plus 12. And 5 plus 12 is 17. Here we've got 21 divided by, and here's where our brackets then come in. So we've got 5 take away -2, so that's going to be 5 plus 2, which is 7. And we've got our -21 divided by 7, which will be -3.